देवभूमि के नाम से प्रसिद्ध उत्तराखंड की सुरम्य वादियों में स्थित है हमारा प्यारा शहर पिथौरागढ़। छोटा कश्मीर के नाम से जाना जाने वाला यह शहर अपनी अनुपम सुंदरता के लिए प्रसिद्ध है। चारों ओर से पर्वत श्रृंखलाओं से घिरा यह शहर सोर घाटी के नाम से भी जाना जाता है। ऐसा प्रतीत होता है जैसे ईश्वर ने स्वयं अपने वास के लिए यह स्थान चुना हो। हरे भरे पहाड़ों से घिरी इन्हीं वादियों के बीच सेरादेवल मंदिर के समीप स्थित है वर्षों से शिक्षा की मशाल लिए हमारा आर्मी पब्लिक स्कूल पिथौरागढ़। आज से 25 वर्ष पूर्व जो सृजन का बीज इस धरा पर पड़ा था, आज पल्लवित होकर अपनी सुगंध से विश्व के कोने कोने को महका रहा है। आइए एक नज़र डालते हैं आर्मी पब्लिक स्कूल की इस अद्भुत यात्रा पर और पन्ने पलटते हैं इतिहास के उन स्वर्णिम पलों के।
Army Public School, Pithoragarh was established on 21st June 1994 under the aegis of AWES to impart quality education to the children of defense personnel, ex-servicemen and civilians. APS Pithoragarh was inaugurated by Brigadier Anup Singh Jamwal, Station Commander. The growth of school is like a tree. A seed after germination becomes a tree with proper nourishing, caring and dedication to provide the fruit of knowledge to the learner. The school started with 120 students and 5 sections. The founder principal, Mrs. Meenu Jagdish, always believed that small deeds done are greater.
यह एक सामूहिक प्रयास था शिक्षा की अलग जगाने का, बच्चों का एक ऐसा संसार बसाने का जहां बचपन को खुली हवा में जीने की आज़ादी हो। एक ऐसी आज़ादी जहां प्रत्येक प्रतिभा निखर कर सामने आ सके। कहा जाता है कि एक अच्छे उद्देश्य के साथ सर्वहितैषी ध्येय को लेकर जब हम आगे बढ़ते हैं तो सफलताएं हमारे कदम चूमने लगती हैं। आर्मी पब्लिक स्कूल पिथौरागढ़ भी अपने प्रारंभिक दौर से ही इसी सोच के साथ आगे बढ़ता रहा। ज़्यादा की उम्मीद किए बिना छोटी छोटी चीज़ों को मिलाकर कुछ अलग करने का प्रयास हमेशा किया गया। यही कारण है कि आज आर्मी पब्लिक स्कूल पिथौरागढ़ शहर में अपनी एक अलग पहचान रखता है।
Hi everybody, I hope all are doing good and safe. This video I am putting on to share my experience on Army School. Talking about myself, I am Tribhuvan Chauhan. I am currently working in Larsen & Toubro and posted in Dubai. Just back to the topic of experience on Army School, it has been very good. It is not only school for me, to be honest. It is the institution where I learned and where I feel that a kid has to grow for the future assignments of life. Not only respect to the bookish knowledge, cultural, social, and then there are a lot of things which a kid needs to understand, then he develops his own thought process towards life. So that is very important for a kid to understand from his own perspective. So I was a student from class 1 to 5th. At that time it was 5th only. I don't know to which class it is now. But I can see 2 teachers who are still serving, and I thank from the bottom of my heart. They are serving the school since ages and continuing to do so. And the 2 names I can see from the social platform is Mrs. Meenu Jagdish and our beloved Mrs. Nirmala Kalkodia. Nirmala ma'am is personally attached towards being a class teacher. She was our class teacher, so there is a personal bonding with her. Talking about again to the school, I think it was at the time also it was one of the best school of Pithoragarh, and I am quite confident after a due course of this development from 15, 20 years, 25 years, it could have become more better and better for this one. So I'll just thank you for all the teachers there who are still working or are serving the school. And I also wish best of luck to the school. Thank you. Bye bye. Take
All
care.
work and no play makes Jack a dull boy. Keeping this in mind, in our APS Pithoragarh, we have devised various activities for utilizing the energy of students in productive way. From the very initial years of 1997, school organized different activities like poetry competitions, song competitions, skit presentation, drawing competitions, quiz contest, and declamation.
Hello everybody, I am Jagrati Pathak, an alumna of Army Public School Pithoragarh. Back in 2010, Meenu Jagdish ma'am was our principal and Anita Pandey ma'am was my class teacher. And the amount of love, care and affection both of them showered me with was incomparable. I miss them, I miss my school, I still have all of my memories with me and they're cherished till date. Our schools provided us with a lot of activities like taekwondo, meditation, and art sessions in the art room, which kind of helped shape us into who we are today. I had a very good rapport with all of my teachers in the school. Teachers were very friendly and welcoming. They talked nicely and properly with all the parents and I had a good rapport with them.
To make teaching learning effective, technology was added in the school in the year 1997. Initially, teaching was done with the help of OHP. Computer room was inaugurated by Brigadier Avdesh Prakash, Station Commander. Computers motivated students for learning and better interaction. This helped them to link with the outer world. It helped to design unique learning environment for students. Smart classes for students were introduced in 2011-12. This helped to bring out best of their inner potential and overall development.
Good evening, respected principal ma'am, teachers and class teacher of class 3rd B. I am Lokinath Tiwari, guardian of Mr. Siddhartha, class 3rd B. Especially congratulate you on the auspicious day of Silver Jubilee of your school, Army Public School, Pithoragarh. I thank to Principal Madam and staff for the warm cooperation between students and teachers. I especially thank to Mrs. Kunt Bora Madam, class teacher of 3rd B, on account of her amiable behavior, by her simplicity and cooperative nature, and amiable relation among guardians.
To develop students' motor skill and hand-eye coordination, different sports and taekwondo was introduced in the school. An activity room was set up in the school in the year 2006-7. This initiative helped to generate interest, creativity, and an independent attitude. In our school, teachers help students in developing their hidden talent, such as use of waste materials. Children learn to reduce, reuse, and recycle materials. By all these different kinds of activities, children learn time management, teamwork, and utilization of free time and use of waste materials. Various personality development seminars, talks, and demos are also conducted in the school to develop self-confidence and bring best out of them.
नमस्कार समस्त गुरुजन, अभिभावक, प्यारे बच्चों और समस्त आर्मी स्कूल परिवार को मेरी तरफ से स्थापना वर्ष की 25वीं वर्षगांठ की हार्दिक बधाइयाँ। मैं अपना इंट्रोडक्शन दे दूं। मेरा नाम भूपेश पंत है और मैं वर्तमान समय में भारतीय वायुसेना में कार्यरत हूँ। सन 2000 में कक्षा 3 में मैंने आर्मी स्कूल में एडमिशन लिया था। तब निर्मला मैम, मीनू मैम वहाँ थे। और मैम, आप ये वीडियो देख रही हैं तो मेरा कोटि कोटि प्रणाम आपको। और कहते हैं माता पिता गुरु देवता, माता पिता के बाद जिसका स्थान आता है वो गुरु का स्थान होता है। हम अभी किसी भी पद में हैं, कहीं भी हैं, वो सब आपकी कृपा है, समस्त गुरुजनों की कृपा है। और मुझे बहुत हर्ष हो रहा है कि मुझे ये अवसर मिला, मुझे अपनी बातें कहने का अवसर मिला। और धन्यवाद आप सभी का अब मुझे मौका देने के लिए। और जब भी मैं आर्मी स्कूल के बारे में बात करता हूँ और मैं उस एरिया में आता हूँ तो पूरी पुरानी बातें, पुरानी यादें सब ताज़ा हो जाती हैं।
प्रत्येक बच्चे को आगे आकर बोलने का अवसर देना बच्चों में आत्मविश्वास को बढ़ाता है। हमारा विद्यालय सभी बच्चों को माइक में आकर बोलने के लिए प्रेरित करता है। कक्षा में किसी भी प्रकरण को पढ़ाते समय बच्चों की भागीदारी शिक्षण को और अधिक रोचक बना देती है। लघु नाटिकाओं के माध्यम से चरित्र निर्माण और जीवन मूल्यों की सीख दी जाती है ताकि भविष्य में एक सुशिक्षित समाज का निर्माण किया जा सके। प्रकृति और पर्यावरण संरक्षण के लिए बच्चों में जागरूकता हो, जिससे वह अपने अभिभावकों और समाज को एक सार्थक संदेश दे सकें, हमेशा प्रयास किया जाता है। चाहे स्कूल के दिनों में हो या फिर कोरोना काल की ऑनलाइन पढ़ाई के दौरान, आर्मी पब्लिक स्कूल पिथौरागढ़ का ध्यान इस प्रकार के वैश्विक मुद्दों पर अवश्य गया है।
Hello everyone, hope you all are doing well. My name is Sushmita Chauhan. I am sharing my real experience of my life, that how it was. It was my wonderful journey. I can't forget those golden days of my life. I spent 2 years of my life learning many things. I still remember the premises, classrooms, playground and all the teachers. I remember playing with my friends, having group lunch in recess time, and teachers who were always there to help us and guide us for betterment of our future. As a kid, sometimes we didn't realize the importance of teachers, but now when we experience the world, we feel that teachers in school time are the best part which can happen to anyone in a lifetime. I have many stories to share but can't share due to scarcity of time. Every day I wish that again I become a kid and again enjoy the unforgettable school days. Currently, I am settled in Noida with my husband and have a lovely son who has recently completed 2 years. Best wishes to all of you and for your bright future. Thank you so much. Thank you all. Thank you, my teachers.
Culture is a strong binding force in societies, and every individual is rooted in a culture that influences his/her lifestyle and attitude towards life. In APS Pithoragarh, we train students right from childhood to experience various cultures through the celebration of all religious festivals and develop tolerance, understanding, and respect for communities. Such activities in school help to pave a way for a harmonious social living. APS Pithoragarh celebrates Green Diwali, Christmas, Holi to inculcate feeling of brotherhood of mankind.
Good morning all of you. My name is Ronak Singh. I had studied from class 1st to class 3rd in APS Pithoragarh when my father was posted at Headquarter 119 Infantry Brigade. At that time, Mrs. Meena Bhandari ma'am was our class teacher and Mrs. Meena Jagdish ma'am was our principal. Our class teacher ma'am was very much caring and helpful to us. During my studies at APS Pithoragarh, I participated in various Olympiad exams and bagged medals. I also participated in many school activities and did commendable tasks. APS Pithoragarh was one of the best schools of my life, and all the teachers, including the staff, were very talented and supportive. If I would get another opportunity, I would like to be a part of this rememberable institute.
सन 2017 में विद्यालय ने दीवारों के घेरे से बाहर निकलकर लर्निंग विदाउट वॉल शुरू किया, जिसके माध्यम से हमारे नौनिहालों को अवसर मिलता है परिस्थितियों के वास्तविक रूप से रूबरू होने का। इसके अंतर्गत विभिन्न सामाजिक स्थलों जैसे बैंक, पोस्ट ऑफिस, मंदिर, गुरुद्वारा सहित अनेक स्थानों का शैक्षिक भ्रमण विद्यार्थियों द्वारा किया जाता है ताकि वह मूर्त जीवन का वास्तविक अनुभव प्राप्त कर सकें। इसके अतिरिक्त घुड़सवारी और गोल्फ की सामान्य तकनीकों से बच्चों को अवगत कराया जाता है।
Hello, I'm Gautami. I'm basically from Almora and I study here in Army School Almora. It was my great pleasure that I got an opportunity to study in Army Public School Pithoragarh from my class 4th to 5th. Although I was there only for 2 years, but those 2 years are very important in my life. Especially my teachers, our principal ma'am, Mrs. Meenu Jagdish Sharma, and my class teacher ma'am, Mrs. Anita Pandey, are one of my idols whom I can never forget. They both are very important for me and I love them from my heart. Favorite time for me in the school was in the meditation room where I used to write diaries. In the diary I used to write thoughts which principal ma'am used to put in the meditation room. This is my diary and these are the stars given by ma'am. Ma'am always used to give stars, chocolate or other type of gifts to students to encourage them.
एक अच्छे विद्यालय की पहचान है वहाँ का शैक्षिक वातावरण और एक अच्छे शैक्षिक वातावरण के निर्माण में वहाँ के शिक्षकों का एक महत्वपूर्ण योगदान होता है। इस उद्देश्य को ध्यान में रखकर आर्मी पब्लिक स्कूल पिथौरागढ़ में भी शिक्षण कौशलों के विकास के लिए समय समय पर विभिन्न कार्यशालाओं का आयोजन किया जाता है। प्रत्येक प्रकार से शिक्षण कार्य में दक्ष और प्रशिक्षित शिक्षकों को FDRC यानी फैकल्टी डेवलपमेंट एंड रिसर्च सेंटर नई दिल्ली जाने का अवसर विद्यालय द्वारा प्रदान किया जाता है, जो वर्तमान परिस्थितियों और तकनीकों के ज्ञान से शिक्षकों को अवगत कराता है। प्रत्येक शनिवार को आयोजित होने वाली शिक्षक कार्यशाला भी नवीन ज्ञान के अर्जन का एक माध्यम है।
Morning, myself Tara Khatu. I am passed from the Army Public School. I am very grateful and thankful for the school where I teaches and read everything in my life which is good or not. There are many teachers who teaches nicely and I remember always in my life, especially our principal ma'am Meenu Jagdish and Nirmala ma'am who teaches always as a positive view, and I'm blessed that our school is moving in such a positive way. Here every student was treated equally and give him opportunity what they can to do, and I feel blessed that my education was helped from the Army Public School, and thank you everyone.
School can encourages healthy eating behavior among students. Here, teachers believe that students who eat full, balanced meals every day are more likely to perform better academically. To encourage students to realize this for themselves through activities that promote healthy choices. School celebrates Sprouts Day, Milk Food Day to inculcate all these healthy habits among students.
Good morning, all of you. My name is Ramini Kumari. I have studied in class 1 in APS Pithoragarh. At that time, my father was posted in headquarters 119 Infantry Brigade. Mrs. Sunita ma'am was my class teacher and Mrs. Meenu Jagdish ma'am was the principal of the school. During my studies at APS Pithoragarh, I have participated in various school activities. It was one of the best school in my life. Thank you.
25 वर्षों की इस स्वर्णिम यात्रा में आर्मी पब्लिक स्कूल पिथौरागढ़ निरंतर शिखर की ओर अग्रसर होता चला गया, नई नई ऊंचाइयां छूता चला गया। आज समय है कुछ और नया करने का, इन सुनहरे पन्नों को और विस्तार देने का। तो आइए मिलकर प्रतिज्ञा करें मिसाल कायम करने की आने वाले वक्त के लिए, और कर दिखलाएं कुछ ऐसा कि दुनिया करना चाहे हमारे जैसा।